What's up, YouTube? So about maybe like 3 months ago, I saw a video on a movie on Hulu, and it had Christian Bale in it, and it was based in, I think, Vietnam. And he was a pilot, and he got shot down, and he went to a POW camp in like the Vietnamese camps. Well, anyway, I thought it was cool because they were handcuffed, and they took a nail and he hammered it flat, and he escaped out of handcuffs. And so finally, like 3 days ago, I went on eBay and I'm like, heck, I have money. I'm going to buy some handcuffs. So I got two pairs of handcuffs. This is what they were in the box. Um, each has two keys. I think they call them black steel. I don't really know. They're not like the most top of the line, but they're still real steel handcuffs. And yeah, so I bought both of them. I got them for around 25 bucks, free shipping, so they're probably about 10 bucks a piece. I think it's something like X something knives or something like that. The company I bought them from. But anyway, they're sick. So basically, the first time I got them, I just automatically wanted to pick them. So I tried. So basically, in the movie, he hammered the nail, and he kind of slid it in there and loosened the teeth that lock the whole mechanism, and it released, I guess. But I tried it, and it didn't really work. And I was like, that stinks. So then I'm like, well, you could probably just pick the key thing if it's just a spring holding it back. So basically I drew it really quick. But this is basically how handcuffs work. You have a keyhole right there, and there's a spring right there, and these are teeth inside the handcuffs. So when the jaw comes down, both the teeth line up, and it creates the lock. So basically, with the keyhole, if you stick the key in and spin the tooth on the key around, it's going to drop the spring and unleash the teeth, which loosens the jaw. So basically, I'm like, well, picking a lock, you could just stick a paper clip in there and loosen the jaw and you break through. So I'm like, I had to get out of the handcuffs. So I'm going to stick them on my hand. And the first thing I'm going to do is use this little hair thing. I'm going to stick it in the top part of the keyhole. And I'm going to pull down on the little mechanism, trying to put weight on the spring to loosen the teeth. There we go. So basically I just scrunched the spring and it released the whole jaw. That's basically how easy it is to get out of handcuffs. So I'll do it again with the paper clip. I'll put the handcuff on. And I haven't actually done it with a paper clip yet. I was actually using the original. Here's the key, and it comes with two keys. And there was a little ring that connected the two keys. And I bent that out and I used it to unlock it. So I'm going to bend the paper clip a little bit. And try to stick it in there. This one's a little harder because the paper clip's a little thinner, so it makes it more malleable when you're trying to pull it around. So what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to actually fold the paper clip over like this to make it a little thinner. Alright, there we go. So I'll stick this back in. Go for round two. There we go. Alright. That was probably about a minute or whatever. But so that's basically how easy it is. The hardest part is doing it behind your back, which I did that yesterday, but I couldn't. I did it one time. I released it once, but I couldn't do it a second time. So I think it was more beginner's luck. So then just the key is gonna unlock the mechanism. And but doing it behind your back, you kind of have to have everything planned out. You know, have your tool ready, and because I found that when you just start working at it right away, your hands, they'll start rubbing against the handcuffs, and you'll start losing blood circulation, and which kind of loses the whole coordination, and you kind of can't feel as well. You only have like 50% feeling, and you can't really coordinate with your hands anymore, so they'll get really exhausted. So obviously I haven't got arrested yet, so hope to not have that experience. But people are trying to break out of handcuffs. Honestly, if you're in the back of a cop car, there's no point of breaking out of handcuffs. But I guess if you get kidnapped or whatever, it's a good thing to learn. And basically just buy some $10 handcuffs and do it. I mean, it's so easy. I just wanted to make a video because I can't stop doing it. I think it's so fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah. All right, sweet. See you guys.